Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been an entire year since you've seen my face on my YouTube channel. That's just gonna have to be another video another time, because this is not what this video is about. I know this seems like a lot of stuff, but before we get into this, I've tried to film this video about 3 times before. It kept not being in focus. Things just weren't going the way that I wanted them to go. So now we're here packing my BMT bag. For those of you that don't know, which is pretty much all of you unless you follow me on Instagram, I'm joining the Air Force and I am leaving in 5 days. I wanted to sit down and show you guys everything that I'm packing because when I was looking into joining the Air Force, this was one of the videos that was very helpful. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing, and then hopefully when I'm out of basic training and in tech school, I can give you guys a little inside information on what to bring and not to bring. The Air Force now gives you a backpack when you get there, and it pretty much has all the things you need in it. And I put that in quotes because it has all the things that the Air Force thinks you need, and that's it. So you can literally show up with what you're wearing and a toothbrush, and they got you covered. For me, my tech school is going to be in Texas as well, so I'm kind of bringing a little more things than probably somebody would because it's going to help me in tech school, and that's less stuff that my sister has to send me in tech school or bring to me, etc. I will put everything in the description below of what is in that backpack. I might throw up a quick screenshot of what they give you in there. Let's just get into the video. So I decided to do this video as I'm showing you guys I'm going to pack it, instead of me having it already packed and putting it out to put it back in, because I leave in 5 days and I don't have time to be messing around because I have the rest of my life to pack up. But one thing that I'm using that you guys notice is I'm putting a lot of things in Ziploc bags. I've heard you pretty much get there and they make you dump all your stuff out. So if they're making me dump my stuff out, I think when in the moment when things are kind of chaotic, I'll be able to organize it quicker and easier, and that's just the way I think. So invest in some Ziploc bags if you're like me. Also, I have my mic right here because I packed my mic stand, so I'm trying to not scream since it's so close to me, and if you hear some ASMR stuff going on. My sister's cats just scratched the crap out of this, so that's nice. But at the bottom of my bag that I'm bringing, and I also got this bag off of Amazon. So on the inside of this book, I taped all the people that I would like to write their addresses on the front of that. Next thing that I'm going to pack that the Air Force tells you to bring is a second pair of clothes, because they're not really sure when they're going to issue you the uniform. So that is what I'm going to do next. Is I just have, ladies, make sure you don't have a V-neck when you leave. Make sure it's like a crew cut. Is that what this is called? I got this at Target, really cheap. I have a gray one, and then I have a black one back here that I'm going to be wearing to the airport. And I have a pair of black jeans, and I have a pair of dark wash blue jeans. Make sure that they don't have any holes in it. Next, I have a nude bra, and then I have a second bra that I'm going to be wearing there. My undergarments. So that is right here. In this bag is my underwear. I have about 14 pairs of underwear. It's kind of excessive. I'm just a what if kind of person, and I'd rather have 2 weeks worth of clean underwear. I probably will not even need these. I know that they give you military socks. This is mainly for tech school. Also, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry that I'm looking like this. I'm really not sorry, because this is how I look when I'm just around the house anyways. But I've literally packed up all of my clothing. So I've been wearing basically workout clothes and pajamas because I left a few things out just to be cozy around the house. I do leave in 5 days, and I have to check in the hotel in 4 days. So yeah, sports bras. I think I have about 8 sports bras in here, and that's all she wrote. Compression shorts, I just have 4 pairs. I'm pretty sure I probably only needed 2, but you never know if something got misplaced or taken. I have extra. Okay, next is these flushable wipes. I heard in Beast Week it's nice to have these. My sister was in the Army, so she's kind of told me what she could tell me through the Army side of the basic boot camp. But I've also heard from people that have been in the Air Force that sometimes you run out of toilet paper. Not even at Beast Week, you just run out. So I'm bringing some flushable wipes. I heard that you don't really get a period while you're in basic training, because it's just a stressful environment. Your body kind of freaks out. But I'm bringing these just in case any other ladies need them, and for tech school. I guess my toiletries, you can call them. And this kind of seems excessive, but, you know, hear me out here. I don't plan on buying too many full-size products there. My hair is very fine, so I don't need a lot of product for it. So I think I can get away with just bringing travel-sized. So the first things that I'm bringing, which is kind of crazy, and they might take it away, they might not, but I'm just hoping for the best, is I have castor oil and grapeseed oil in these little containers. And I've labeled them because I've heard that you have to put what's inside the container or they will throw it away. They might throw it away, they might not, I'm not really sure, but I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit because grapeseed oil I like to just put on my face to moisturize, and who knows if they'll let me I even have time for that. But again, tech school, and the castor oil is for my scalp because I still have a little bit of issues with hair loss that I'm dealing with. Okay, so next I'm going to pack my hairspray. I just got travel size hairspray. And then I'm going to pack my gel. I'm going to pack the gel in this little baggie. I just have travel sized face wash and moisturizer. Next, I'm just packing my travel size shampoo and conditioner. So I have Aquaphor, some hand lotion that I'm going to put in here, and then I have sunscreen. And again, I can buy all of these things there maybe, but I've never been to that BX, so I don't know if they will have the things that I like there. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the bigger bag. And then so when I'm going through the airport, I literally just have to take this bag out. This is all my liquids and stuff, and put it in their little tray. Another thing I'm going to put on that side pocket are these razors, disposable razors. I just bought this and I'm keeping them in the package. Now that I think about it, I forgot my deodorant. That's awkward. Let me go get my deodorant. They do give you a toothbrush there, but I need a toothbrush for the hotel the night before because you need to brush your teeth. So that is going in this bag at the bottom. And then I just have a soap dish full of hair ties with Bueller's hair in there. And then I have this one that is full of bobby pins and clear elastics. And I do have this extra thing of clear elastics. They break all the time. You lose them. Bringing extra just in case I need it. Bringing 2 different little donut bun things. It has so much of my dog's hair in there. I heard that they don't have blonde ones at the BX. So I'm packing that, and then I have a comb, a brush, and a clip. Also, my glasses. You're supposed to bring your glasses if you wear glasses until they issue you the glasses they give you there. So that's going to be on top as well because I'm going to be wearing my glasses when I get there. I'm just bringing this very small makeup bag because sometimes they allow you to wear makeup for pictures. So I literally have the bare minimum, and I have a lot of makeup and this is the bare minimum. So I just have my brushes and what else do I have in here? My face powder, chapstick, my foundation, my moisturizer, and that's it. Mascara. Alright, so basically that's it. I'm leaving in 5 days and I'm so excited. I'm getting a lot of adrenaline rush. I'm not necessarily scared or nervous. I just have that adrenaline, and the unknown is always just mysterious. So of course you're either going to get nervous, scared, you're going to have adrenaline. I'm pumped. I will be back in 2 months and hopefully be able to make a video for you guys of my experience and all of that. And if you're new to this channel or interested, I am going to be more active on here. I miss it, and I'm going to start vlogging soon. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, go follow me on Instagram, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in 2 months. Bye.